Good morning, Standard 8. I am going to continue chapter 1 language of chemistry, and in this video I am going to explain you about the topic chemical equation. So let us know what do you mean by the chemical equation, how we can define, how we can represent. So this all detail about the chemical equation I will explain in this video. So let us start with the definition of chemical equation, dear students. Chemical equation is the symbolic representation of the chemical reaction of the chemical reaction using symbols or formula of the substances involved in the reaction. So dear student, this is the definition of chemical equation. Let us understand about it. Chemical equation is the symbolic representation of the chemical reaction using symbols or formula of the substances involved in the reaction. Let us understand chemical equation with the help of example. Example: carbon combined with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. So dear student, this chemical equation is being represented in the form of the chemical equation. See here, element carbon is being represented in the form of symbol, here also oxygen, and finally a compound carbon dioxide. Chemical equation can be represented in a two form, in a word equation and in chemical equation. So let us know about it. First, word equation. As to the same example, in the word equation, carbon plus oxygen form carbon dioxide. Okay, let us see one more example. Hydrogen plus oxygen form water. This way, chemical equation is being represented in the form of the word equation, dear student. Whereas in the chemical equation, it is represented by the symbol and formula. So, for example, calcium carbonate decompose and form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So this way it is being represented in the form of the chemical equation, dear student. In the word equation you understood it. Now I am going to explain you about the how to write the chemical equation. Step involved in writing chemical equation, dear student. Steps involved in writing chemical equation. First, write symbols or formula of reactant in the left side with a plus sign between them. Second, write symbols and formula of product in the right hand side with a sign plus between them. Third, put a arrow sign between reactant side and product side. Fourth, represent the elements in the molecular form. Got it, dear student? So these are the 4 steps of writing chemical equation. Let us understand about it. First, write symbol or the formula of the reactant in the left hand side with sign plus between them. Second, write the symbol or the formula of the product in the right hand side or right side with a sign plus between the product. Put arrow sign between the reactant side and the product side and represent the elements or the compound in the molecular form. Let us understand with the help of example. See here, dear student, carbon combine with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. So dear student, this is the left side and it is known as a reactant. So you see in the left hand side carbon, which is represented in the form of the symbol, and oxygen, arrow side between the reactant side and the product side. So carbon combined with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. So this is the reactant and the right hand side it is known as a product, dear student. Let us see one more example. Calcium carbonate break to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. You see, dear student, as the reactant, 2 reactants are here, so plus is between the 2 reactant, and here as the product, single product, so no requirement of the plus sign. As in the second example, calcium carbonate, a single compound, so no requirement here of the plus sign. But in the product side, 2 product, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So dear student, this way we used to write the chemical equation, dear student. So please, you learn the step and practice to write chemical equation, dear student. Thank you to you all.